How to multiply fractions times fractions, and we're also going to see a drawing model that goes along with this. Okay, so let's start off with an easy one here. 1/2 times 1/3. Now to multiply fractions, it's very, very simple. There's one rule and one rule only, and that rule is you can only multiply a fraction times a fraction. And in this case we have 1/2 and 1/3, both of those are fractions. Now all you do when you multiply fractions is you multiply the numerators and the denominators. So top times top, 1 times 1 is 1, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Now, when you multiply a half times a third, you get 1/6. Now, a lot of people will look at that and say, well, wait a minute, I started with a half, I ended up with a 6. When I'm multiplying, I should get bigger. Well, you got to remember we're not multiplying by one whole here or anything bigger than one whole. We're multiplying by something way less than one whole. So yes, it is going to get smaller. Okay, so we multiply top times top, bottom times bottom. Now, to do the drawing method, you're going to be doing rows and columns. Okay, so the first fraction we're going to do up and down. All right, so we have 1/2. Okay, so what you do is you color in your square with 1/2. And I'll take blue here, and we'll color that one in 1/2. You guys will do this with your colored pencils. Okay, and do a lot better job coloring than I just did. I'll try this again. There we go. Okay, then what we do is we're going to do 1/3 instead of going up and down. We're going to go side to side. So I'm going to make 3 equal cuts going this way. Okay, and then 1/3. Let's see if I can do it a little better this time. 1/3 we would color in. So I'm going to color in this first one all the way across because it's 1/3 of the square going horizontally. Okay. Now you can kind of see already that we have one area that is overlapped right here. Okay. So if you see how many areas we have cut now, there's 6 of them. And one of them is an overlap. Well, that's what our answer is right here. 1 out of 6. So 1 out of 6 would be overlapped. So this is kind of a drawing method of doing multiplication of fractions. Let's try another one. Okay, 3/4 times 1/5. All right, when we do the normal multiplication first, we just do top times top, bottom times bottom. These are both fractions, so it satisfies our rule. And that is 3/20. Okay, so the first fraction, 3/4, we're going to do up and down. Okay, so I start here, I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to cut each of my halves in half, and that would be fourths, just like that. And I'm going to color in 3 of them. So I'll take this, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now the second one is 1/5, and that's the one I'm going to go side to side, okay? So about that big. That's 1 slice. There's 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 and 5 slices. Okay, now it says to color in 1/5 of them. So I'll take a different color here and I'll shade it in all the way across, and we're doing 1/5, so 1 row out of 5. Okay, just like that. Now what I do is I look at how many sections I've made. Well, I've made 4 by 5, so there's 20 sections there. And how many of them are overlapped? 1, 2, 3 of them are overlapped. So that would be 3/20. Alright, so that's how you multiply fractions and also have a model to show multiplying fractions.